Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting right away. Plug the iPhone into the computer and open Finder or iTunes. If you have a Face ID model, press and hold side and volume up briefly, then release volume up and hold side until recovery mode appears. For Touch ID or Home button, hold home while connecting. You do this because recovery mode isolates iOS from user data, letting the computer reinstall or update. Once the phone shows the cable to computer icon, proceed to the computer options. On the computer, you'll see an update or restore prompt. Choose update first because it reinstalls iOS without erasing data. The software will download. This can take several minutes, so make sure the computer stays online and the cable stays connected. If the download completes and the device boots, you're done. If the update fails or exceeds 15 minutes, the device will exit recovery. In that case, re-enter recovery and select Restore, which wipes the device, then installs a fresh iOS. Once the restore or update finishes, the iPhone restarts and you follow on-screen setup steps. Sign in with your Apple ID and choose to restore any backups. If the device still won't exit recovery or keeps looping, check the basics. Use a known good USB cable, try a different USB port or another computer, and reinstall iTunes or update Mac OS. If hardware faults look likely, like a failing battery or motherboard, contact Apple support or an
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.